What is up, everybody? It's a new day and it's a new video. Yo, what's up, you guys? So today is day 2 here in the Philippines. I'm actually just in my condo. I have just woken up. Maybe I lied. I woke up at 5:30 a.m. It's almost 7 now and I'm starting to get really hungry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna go down and buy some food and take it back here and eat here. My sleep has been very good. I slept on the couch because I was watching a TV, so I just fell asleep there here in the living room. And I should give you guys a quick room tour, I guess, of the condo. This is located here in ID Park in Cebu by the Ayala Center here, and it is a 1-bedroom condo and it's actually pretty nice for a little, you know, for a little amount compared to if I checked in on a hotel. I've got 2 air cons, one here in the living room and one in the bedroom. There's one here. Let me just show you guys. So this is the entrance door, right? So that's the entrance door, and as soon as you walk in, there's, to your right is the living room, and there's a pull-out couch, and then there's the AC that I was talking about. I'm currently watching a Filipino morning show, and this is a huge window right here overlooking the mountains there. So the mountains right there. Cool. And then as you pan to your left side is the master's bedroom. Okay, so there's a double bed, I think, and then they've got their separate AC right there, a big closet. Hey y'all. And then a lamp, a TV, an ironing board, some cleaning tools. And then as you walk out to your right is the bathroom, or the washroom, the CR here in the Philippines. So as you walk in, there's a little sink right here, little shelf where to put your stuff. What else is in here? You know, my wipes, I've pretty much settled in. And then there's another shelf here, the toilet. So there's the shower. It's a heated shower, so that's very good. They've got shampoo and soap dispensers there already, and it's a stand-up shower. And you know, as you walk out of the kitchen, there is, or not the kitchen, the washroom. You have got the kitchen. So you've got your standard microwave. They don't have an oven. They have a, you know, stove top. You got your utensils in here. What else? Pans and your cleaning supplies in there. You've got your refrigerator right there, and the cupboards, and there's more here. You're not a Filipino if you don't have a rice cooker, and then some other stuff in there. So yeah, that is a quick room tour, you guys. This is such a nice, you know, a little cozy place for myself, and my aunt and uncle is staying with me tonight as well, and as well as my cousin. So it's gonna be a full packed what do you call this, full packed condo, but it is going to be fun because I haven't seen them in a long time, so we're probably just gonna be talking. But anyways, I'm very hungry now. I am going to head downstairs and buy food. I'm probably gonna be buying, you know, the usual Filipino Jollibee breakfast, and come back up here. Let's go. So this is the area where I'm staying at, and I'm staying at that building right there. It's a business district here in Cebu where all call centers are at, and I think it's a pretty nice place. Okay, change of plans. We are going to McDonald's now because Jollibee's too far, so we're gonna go and check this place out. What are those? Thank you. Okay, so I got my food now. I got it from Jollibee. I changed from the hotcakes and chicken to the chicken and rice because you can't be in the Philippines without rice. So I'm gonna try their garlic rice, and we'll see if it just tastes as good as in the picture. I'm on my way back now to my, oh, I think I'm blurry. Okay, I'm on my way back now to the tower, to my room to you know, eat it there, and I'll probably unbox it there, and we're probably gonna do a little mukbang. I'm already tired just walking a block. It's already warm here in the morning. I don't know how the day is gonna go, but thank God for AC. Thank God for AC. Okay, you guys, we are now back here in the condo, and we are just about to devour this meal that I had purchased. I didn't really purchase a lot. I only had one meal. So what we got is, obviously, is a pineapple juice. Excuse me. Anyways, it's a pineapple juice. And then, obviously, here in the Philippines, just like what I said earlier, you can't have anything here without rice. So I opted with the one-piece chicken. The one-piece chicken, and then the garlic rice and the egg. So I don't know how it's gonna taste, but I do feel like, you know, it's gonna be just as good. And you know, I miss the McDonald's chicken, to be honest. So, but first, let me just Instagram this goodness, because you know. Whoa. Chicken, here we go. Dig in, you guys. They've got the garlic rice. It's not just a plain rice, but they have garlic rice. Okay. Let's see. I miss that taste. You know, the place where I'm staying is very convenient because everything's downstairs. You know, we've got McDonald's, like literally right next door. And then we've got Jollibee, the other block, and then KFC on the other side of the block. So everything is here. What I'm really looking forward to buy though is Dunkin' Donuts, because I haven't had Dunkin' Donuts in such a long time. I feel like since 2005, 6, since I had one, because I don't remember eating one before leaving for the Philippines, or for Canada. So yeah, this chicken though, I think it tastes different from what I remembered back in the days. It's still good, you know. Probably not. It's probably because this is their breakfast chicken. I don't know. I could be wrong too. At least they've got eggs. I currently have the Filipino show, Magandang Magabayan. No, Umagang Kay Ganda. It's, oh, man, Philippines just brings me back to 2005, 2004, you know, back in the days, my teenage days. Starting to get full though. For this whole meal, with a bottle of water, it's only 140 pesos. So that's like what? $3. Very, 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 very cheap. That barbecue place that we went to yesterday, I only paid $10. Wait. What's 500? Yeah. I only paid $10 for 2 people already, and we're already full. There was a lot. You cannot get that back in Canada. So I'm really enjoying the food here. Really good. I used to remember to like smother the rice with just gravy. Their gravy cups have gotten a little smaller, to be honest. I think it's because Filipino just loves gravy on the rice. That it just I don't think there's unlimited gravy here anymore. It used to be unlimited. And when you're in the Philippines, forget about diet. It doesn't exist. I'm done. Can't go wrong with it for $2. $3. Wow. Anyways, I'll check back on you guys after when we actually leave the apartment. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Vince. It's back, and it's a couple hours later. It's already almost 11 a.m. and oh my gosh, this is the funniest thing I've ever seen, you guys. So, it's commercial now, but I was watching a TV, and then it later on showed, what do you call this? Terminator, but Terminator is dubbed in Tagalog. Isn't that the funniest thing ever? Oh my gosh, I can smell, like, you know, you're in the Philippines if the whole building smells like food, and I can really literally smell it from like under my, like, the smell is like coming through my door here, and it's just, oh, that's just Philippines for you guys. Anyways, I'm just still currently waiting for my uncle and auntie to come. They're on their way, I think. They met up with my other uncle, and I think they went for breakfast before coming in here because they just landed from Manila. So I'm just waiting for them, and then we are going to head to Bai Hotel to get picked up there, and then we're gonna go to the family gathering. So exciting day ahead, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Plans changed. My aunt and uncle aren't here yet, and I really thought we were supposed to go at 1, but apparently things changed, and the van that will pick us up isn't even there yet. So I am back here in my apartment, or in my condo. Oh my goodness. To get Jollibee, it was a mission and a half, and glad I'm still alive. You know, I was basically doing a patintero with the cars, just trying to cross the street. But good thing I've got my Jollibee, I've got my burger steak with me, and then obviously my pineapple juice and a bottle of water. And that should get me through the day. Actually, you know what? Jet lag has been kicking off since earlier today, and I'm just trying to fight the sleepiness. So I might nap for a little bit because I don't think they're gonna be here till 2 p.m. Depends on what time I finish eating. But anyway, that's just a quick little update of where am I about. Currently watching Showtime, obviously, because it's 12. No, I lied. 1:25. So yeah, I'm pretty much really hungry right now. I'm gonna go eat, and I'll check with you guys later. So yeah.
dear Jesus name every hour of the day. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. On your sweet birthday of yours. On your birthday, my dear, we have nothing to give but a love that is perfectly true and sincere. It's love and your present to you come true. This very day, your angel day, come on and sing with us. With open hearts, we're here to sing our birthday song for you. Sing it, happy birthday! Samay mo pa siya, blue. Blue.
Natin gininutan ni Dad. Nakasira yan kaya.
We are here to greet you on your natal day. We are here to sing a birthday round the lake. Love you so. It is a birthday round the lake, oh lake, happy holiday. It is a happy birthday round the lake, oh lake, all boys, all boys. Pwede ba pwede. Pwede. This love we are present to you. I thank you. On your sweet angel day, we will silently pray. Happy returns of the day. To you, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Birthday pa.
Unsa? Oh.
Nag-lapit siya.
Thank you, Da. Thank you, Da.
Happy birthday! You're going to say sa bagay.
So, mag-1 good guys sa Ray ni mo 2 months.
Lagyan.
Sige lang.